You are probably seeing this scrolling line animation everywhere in modern websites, and it looks complex, but actually it's much simpler than it looks. Let's build it from scratch in a few minutes. So here is the structure. We have a simple page with hero and a footer just to make the page scrollable, and in between a few sections wrapped inside a section container, because this defines the scroll area that GSAP will use to control the animation timing. I also split each section into two parts using Plex just for layout. And in the middle we place an SPG. This is our line. It's absolutely positioned and set to full height, so it covers the entire scroll area. And this is just a curved SVG path. No animation yet, just a static shape. What we want is to make it look like it's being drawn while you scroll. To animate a drawing effect, we use two properties, stroke-ray and stroke-set. This control how the stroke is revealed. First, we need to reveal length of the path. JavaScript gives us this method, get total length, which returns the full length of the SVG path. Then we apply that value to both dash properties. At this point, the line is completely hidden. Now we connect it to scroll using GSAP ScrollTrigger. And now the line starts drawing as we scroll. But there is one small issue. It starts a bit low early, and the drawing happens too low in the viewport. So we adjust the start option. If we add start at top 70%, now the drawing begins when the top of the section reaches 70% of the viewport, and the animation stays in a much better visible zone. And that's it. A simple SVG path plus GSAP ScrollTrigger equals this smooth drawing effect you see everywhere. If you want to see more creative web development stuff like this, don't forget to subscribe.